Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Facebook videos on PC. So first things first, you have to simply go to your Facebook or go to any web browser and then log into your Facebook account right here. Now you can go to the Reels section or look for that specific video that you wanted to download. In order for you to download a video, you have to make sure that the video is set to public or the video is in public so that you can download this. Tap on the three dots, scroll down, and look for the copy link option. Click this and make sure that you have copied the correct link. Now tap on the plus icon or go to new tab, and then this time you have to search for download Facebook video. Now press enter and you will see here sites where you can download a Facebook video. So you can choose from any of this right here. So let me tap on the first one and then you have to go to this box, right click. Now paste or control V, tap on download, wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the video with the quality. So you just have to select from any of this, tap this one and wait as it is processing. You can wait for like minutes. It depends on your internet. So once done, you should see the video on your download folder, or you can just click the video right away here. Now, if the video or if you cannot download the video, maybe the video was set to private or the video is in private, and that's the reason why you cannot download the video. If that's the case, you need to look for other videos that are public videos in order for you to download that. And same thing, just copy link, go to that specific site, paste, and download. And that's how easy it is to download Facebook videos on PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.